Welcome to the prototype demonstration of the PEDA Weather Station. In this video, we will show how the prototype currently works and how we test the data transmission. This is our working prototype with all sensors integrated. Since the test is indoors, some outdoor sensors like GPS, wind and rainfall are not active, which is why their values show as 0. For testing purposes, the prototype sends data every 10 seconds into a database. This way, we can easily observe how the values change. In normal operation, the station transmits data every 5 minutes. We note the current values. Temperature is 25.7 degrees Celsius. PM 2.5 is 9.2 micrograms per cubic meter. CO2 is 676 parts per million, and VOC is 78. The app you see here is also in its prototype stage. In this test, it collects the values from the database every 2 seconds to visualize the real-time changes. In the final version, the app will be optimized for normal data intervals and user experience. To demonstrate the sensors, we lit several candles. You can clearly see how the temperature rises and both the CO2 and VOC values increase. This shows that even in prototype stage, the PEDA Weather Station accurately detects and transmits environmental changes. Please note that on one side of the station we have the SCD30 sensor and on the other side the SEN55 sensor. Both measure temperature, but since the candles are placed closer to the SCD30, its temperature readings rise faster. The system calculates and displays the average value from both sensors. Here we can slowly see how the data values change. Please note that in this test, the station sends new data to the database every 5 seconds, while in normal operation it would transmit every 5 minutes. Now we can see the changes. The temperature has risen to 28.1 degrees. Humidity is 38.7%. PM 2.5 is 11.8. CO2 has increased to 844 parts per million, and VOC is now 105. And just a moment later, CO2 has already reached 931 parts per million. This was a live demonstration of our prototype. Both the hardware and the app are still under development, but they already show the full chain of measurement and data transmission. With your support, we can take PEDA from prototype to production. Thank you.